Hello, golf enthusiasts. Welcome to the stunning Sandals Golf and Country Club. Today, get ready for a special experience as we go on a laid-back golf journey through two amazing holes with my friends Jerone and Jamal. I'll be your host today, bringing you all the exciting hole details. And in case we haven't met, my name is Kyle, and I'm the guy in the orange Nike shirt who's piloting the drone. So, let's dive into the magic of these holes. First up is hole number 10, a 520-yard par 5 that used to be known as hole number 1. The fairway is embraced by nature, and to the right there is a shimmering water hazard. The pin is placed around 10 feet from the right edge and 20 feet from the front edge, making the green a peaceful oasis, and on the left a greenside bunker adds a touch of challenge. So, without any further delay, let's watch these guys play hole number 10. Alright, finishing up hole number 10. So I didn't get to formally introduce you guys. So the two players we have today is Jamal and Jerone. So Jerone is on the left in the gray shirt and Jamal is on the right in the yellow shirt. Now let's move to hole number 9, a 412-yard par 4 that used to be the 18th hole. The fairway's rolling landscape offers a scenic background. From the blue tees, the challenge is set, and the pin is around 5 feet from the left and 8 feet from the front. And it's also accompanied by two greenside bunkers, one on the left and one on the right. Usually you have wind coming back to you in your face, so sometimes you have to play a club up, so it is a hole that will make you collect all the shots. So let's see how Jerome and Jamal tackle this hole. And there you have it, a journey through Sandals Golf and Country Club scenery greens. If you found peace in these views, remember to subscribe for more tranquil moments. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, may your days be as serene as these fairways. P.S. My drone had to come for emergency landing because the battery was almost dead, so we had to cut the video in short. But here are some nice scenic views to make up for the things that we didn't get to capture in that moment.